Planning a family camping trip with your pets, a break from the city, reconnecting with nature, under the starry skies, surrounded by loved ones, and of course, your furry family members. But wait, before you pack up and hit the road, let's break the preparation process down into easy steps. First things first, choose the right camping site. A pet-friendly location that allows enough room for your family and your pets to explore and enjoy is crucial. Some camping sites even offer amenities for pets. Make sure you do your research. Next, gear up. Invest in a quality camping tent that's spacious enough for your family and pets. Consider a tent with room dividers for some privacy and to create a separate space for your pets. Don't forget the sleeping bags, camping chairs, and a camping table. A foldable camping table can serve numerous purposes, from a dinner table to a game table. Remember, comfort is key when camping. When it comes to food, plan your meals ahead. Pack enough food and water for your family and pets. A portable camping stove will be handy for cooking meals. Don't forget the marshmallows for that authentic camping experience. Now on to the pets. Pack a leash, pet food, pet toys, and a pet bed. It's also a good idea to bring a pet first aid kit just in case. Ensure your pet's vaccinations are up to date and don't forget their identification tags. And of course, pack your essentials. This includes clothing suitable for the weather, toiletries, first aid kit, flashlights, and don't forget the bug spray. Lastly, leave no trace. Pack trash bags to clean up after yourselves and your pets. Respect nature and make sure to leave the campsite as you found it. To summarize, prepare for your family camping trip with your pets by choosing a pet-friendly campsite, packing the right gear, planning your meals, bringing your pet essentials, packing your personal essentials, and respecting nature by leaving no trace. So take a deep breath, start your preparation, and get ready for an unforgettable camping experience with your loved ones and your furry friends. Happy camping!